3 things that are going to determine your fat loss success, plus a bonus tip. Listen to the end, there's even a pro tip. Number 1, the governor. Does not matter what type of diet or lifestyle you have. Number 1, calorie deficit. Not necessarily count calories, but you have to burn more calories than you take in. That will determine your success. Number 2, my favorite, lean protein, and lots of it. Not only does it help you recover and repair, it keeps you satiated and full. Number 3, lots of green leafy vegetables, or we call them cruciferous vegetables. Use that as volume eating, really bulk up your meals, keep yourself full on the green stuff. Bonus tip, if you can get down the gym and lift some weights, do some strength training, brilliant. Don't have to be all in and all out, a couple of times a week, more than enough, but get those muscles working. And the pro tip, you've got to be consistent. You've got to keep turning up, even when you don't want to. Some days you will, some days you won't. But day after day after day, week after week after week, month after month after month, that's when your success will come. That's when it will stick. Like and follow for more fat loss tips to your success. Find me on Facebook.